it's Tanya. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here. What I want to do today is make an exploding gift box. I think this would make a great Christmas gift. Almost everything from this is coming from the Dollar Tree, and I'm really excited to show you how you can make this. Now, there's a couple of ways. I'm not sure exactly which one I'm going to do. Now, I've had these boxes. Got them at the Dollar Tree. You'll need some sort of box. I think I've seen boxes. I've also had some that had like pictures printed on them, but you need some sort of box, okay? And I think I've seen them at the Dollar General as well. I got this snowman from the Dollar Tree. This is Crafter Square pop-up tape. Then I got some Dollar Tree lights. These are little snowman lights, okay? And then I think I got this from the Dollar Tree a couple years ago. You can tell I've had it for a while. It's kind of all messed up. You're going to need some candy, and I got a lot of the candy from the Dollar Tree. And you're going to need some of this ornament filler, and once again, Dollar Tree, okay? And I'll probably use my AdTech Essential Tape Runner, all right? So let's get started making this exploding gift box, all right? I think it'd be a great little Christmas gift. Now, this one has 3 boxes that are nestled inside one another, all right? You can do just one exploding gift box if you want, or you can put all 3 of them and just let them keep exploding down. We'll see. I don't know if these are quite going to be big enough to do that. I may just do, do 2. I don't know. Because when I put this one in, it's awful close and you wouldn't get the candy, okay? So, what you do, and sorry for my squeaky chair, it's crazy, okay? You're going to need a X-Acto knife, box cutter, something like that. And you're going to come right down this side of this box, okay, on all 4 corners. And I liked this one because I thought it was really cute and very festive looking. All right. And you can see they cut pretty easily. You want a mat under there if you're like me. Okay. So then this is going to open up like that. You can cover the inside of this if you want to with really pretty paper, and I probably should. Let me get some paper and cut it. You wouldn't have to, but you can see where I kind of made this a little messy. I prefer that it was a little neater, so let me get some paper. Okay, I just cut some paper, and I had some scraps, and I didn't really want to cut up a bunch of paper for this, but you'll do yours absolutely perfect, but it's really not going to matter much, all right? So I'm going to take you could use your Bearly Art Glue, and I'll link everything in the description box below. I'm going to use this tape runner. I kind of have a love-hate relationship with it, as you can see. Sometimes it's great, and sometimes it's not. Okay, I'm just going to go to my Bearly Art Glue. I don't know. All right. Just going to line that up. It's mostly a hate relationship with this AdTech. It always drives me nuts. But one of you told me that you have problems sometimes with it. And sometimes I don't have any problems. You just never know. But I know I can count on this. And when you cut yours, be real careful and get that a lot more straighter than I did. But I think this would be a really sweet Christmas gift. What you could do is you could include money in it or a gift card, whatever you wanted to do. And it just makes a really good presentation. Plus, an exploding gift box is so fun. Just the thought of it is a blast. Okay, and then I'm going to do this one. This one is the one that's the most messed up. Okay, so now we have all that lined with paper. You wouldn't have to, but I think it's extra special cute. Okay, now I'm just going to take this off of my snowman. You can leave his little like ornament hang tag if you want. I'm gonna cut mine off. And I'm going to get in my Crafter Square Pop Dot tape. Okay, now what I want to do is just start lining. I know what I'm going to put in the center of this. It depends on if I double it. If I double it, this would go in the center and it would kind of do that. I might try to do that if I can. I've never done one of these before, so we'll see, okay? So what you do is you can put just different candies and things in here that you want. I have a combinations of Hershey's and this Ghirardelli and this from the Dollar Tree and this from the Dollar Tree. So just whatever you want. So let me see. I'm going to go back to this. I hope I don't regret it. Okay, let's see. You could use those little pop dots if you wanted. That one there. I think it's really cute and fun. I think you could get 3 on here. You could probably even get 4. I probably should have scooted this one over a little more, but that's all right. Okay, and then on this side, we'll just put this like here. It just makes a cute little presentation, I think. And it shows a lot of thought, but it's very easy to make. Okay, and then if you wanted, you can do the Ghirardelli right through here. Wonder how many I want to put in. If I did like this, I still just get 2. But I think it might look better like that. Put that down some. And if you know what kind of candy they like, it's really easy. I think this would be too large to go in there. Now these from the Dollar Tree, you could put these on here. These are milk chocolate truffles with a smooth nut filling. Let's try this. I love truffles. I love anything chocolate, face it. Okay, now if you were going to quit with this, let me see if I want to do the smaller one. I do the smaller one, it'll go here in the center. I might try it. Let's try it. Once again, come right down through here. I hope I was in frame. Some of these corners are easier to cut. Okay, then that will open like that. Okay. Okay, do I have any of these cut? Let me go cut these down to size. Okay, for this one, I cut them 3.5 by 3.5, and I'm going to cover up a little bit of that silver to try to make this look a little more nice. And you can see all this glitter is just coming off of this. But like I said, I've seen some. Now, I've had this, like I said, for a while from the Dollar Tree, but I have seen some, and I had them, but I tossed them because I didn't think I was ever going to use them. They have little scenes on them. I've seen them at Dollar Tree, like I said. Who knows where all you could find them. But I think they're cute. And if you can't find any, you could always make some. Make your own. But you really don't have to have a whole lot. It's very inexpensive. You don't have to have a whole lot of supplies. Just the candy and the box. All right, we'll see if we can get that to do what I want it to do. Well, oh, I haven't done this one. I was like, it's not sticking. But they're not going to be expecting this gift box to explode, and I think that's so fun. A very festive way of presenting your gift. Okay. Now, let me seal my glue up. All right. So what, if you don't want to have double exploding boxes, what you would do is you would put whatever you're going to put here. I'm going to put this in the center. I think this is going to be so cute. Okay. Except I didn't glue this down good. Now, I hope what I was going to put in the center will fit in here. I don't know. There's a lot of glitter in here. Okay. All right. So, glue this back up. And you can see it's so easy to make. But it's a really fun little gift to give. Now, is that still going to work on here? I don't think so. So I may have to switch what I was going to do. I was going to put this little snowman in here with trees around him and let it explode and show him. So if you're going to do it just plain with lights, that's what you would do. But I think I'm going to have to revamp mine, or you can make two, whatever you want to do, okay? So I'm going to take the last two of these. Put this one here and that one beside it. Okay, and then this, can I get two on here? Yes, I think I can sideways. Maggie is barking at her daddy because he is going to the store and she can't go. And she is all upset. I think that'll work. I maybe should have just put one on there. Okay, then we'll go back with our Hershey's. Put this one right here. I had some cookies and cream, but I don't know what I did with it. I put them in little gift packs I'm going to give away, so that may be where they went. I would have liked to have had something different. Maybe I'll put Ghirardelli and this. Okay, that's what I'll do. But if you wanted, you definitely could make two of these very easily. Okay, now, will this, I don't think this is going to work because it's too big. I'm going to get some little trees. I think I'm going to get 3 little trees. And you could put snow in these if you wanted. That would be cute. All right, let's see, about 3 little trees. You could use your hot glue to put them in here if you wanted. Oh, that'll work. Okay. So I'm just going to put, I think this. I don't know if I trust it well enough, but we're going to try it. A little one. No, we'll put this little one here. About right here. Low. You could also use glue dots to put this down with, whatever you wanted. And then I've got these lights. I don't know if the lights are going to fit with everything else I have in here, but I was going to put these lights in here and make it really festive. I could have glued the trees on top of this. I don't think I'm going to do the lights. If I had put this on the bottom, glued this battery pack on here, then I could have had lights when they opened it. And I think that would have been really cute, but I'm not going to do it, okay? I'm going to forego the lights. You can put money or a gift card right there. All right. And is that it? Oh, no. I wanted to use this. I am going to use this. So when they open, this will be all festive. Like that. Okay, what you do then is you pull this all up and you get the lid for this one, which is this. And you tuck it, wait a minute. In that. See where we're going? It's so cute. Then you take this one. And we want our bows to match the same way. This on here. Like this. Let's take a look at what this looks like when you open it. All right, here is the little gift box. I think it's adorable, okay? Then when you open it up, you see that. Is that not really cute? And then you see that. I think that is beyond precious. And there's your gift card or your money. So if you enjoyed this tutorial on how to make an exploding gift box, then like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay crafty.